1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu two-door hardtop here at Unique, especially in classics. Underneath the hood, small block Chevy power, 350 cubic inch V8 to be specific. And it does appear to be the original numbers matching engine according to the stamp on the deck. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. I'll tell you where to see those here in just a second. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact on the transmission. And that also appears to be numbers matching according to the stamp on it. Power steering, power brakes. Original tuxedo black car, paint code 19. Also white vinyl top, A code. And interior is 705, so black interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, the stamp on the tranny and the block. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Good looking 5-spoke American Racing chrome wheels. And as you can see behind there, drilled and slotted rotors, Willwood brakes, and that's at all 4 corners. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Technician noted that those tires are date coded 2020 in a nice shape. As you can see, that black paint shows well. You can see the reflection in there, nice shine, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Bent seat, aftermarket Kenwood stereo, and also custom install with some subwoofers in the trunk. Nicely done. Check it out in the still pictures. Aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and Jason will take this one for a drive if you stick around to the very end of the video. This car also comes with the build sheet, owner's manual. I believe there's a service manual for the chassis, miscellaneous receipts. So check out the still pictures. We'll have that in the still pictures also. Dual exhaust, chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Sharp with the white top, white deck stripes on the black. Once again, all the still pictures on this car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Probably over 100 pictures, I would say, on our website. No shakes or vibration, brakes straight, 85% in the front, 90% in the rear, remaining on the brakes. Checked over very well in their service department. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Tell you what, if you like Chevelles or muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, this driver's side also shows very well. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Let's take a look at this interior. Sorry about a little noise in the background there. They're detailing cars on the other side, getting them ready to have their pictures taken and videos done, of course. All right, seat belts intact. Again, vinyl seat, nice shape, no rips, tears, holes. Headliner, good shape. I think we need to fire this up. Good look at the top of the dash. All right, aftermarket gauges. Looks like we have oil pressure, voltmeter, temp gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Oil pressure, volts looking good.
Freedom forever fly, let it ring, salute the ones who die.
See some speakers down the kick panels, and like I said, excellent sounding stereo, nicely done. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see it in the trunk. Cowl induction hood. Door closes nicely. Let's listen to this. little rumble coming out of that 350. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open, take a look at the engine bay, and then we'll have Jason take it for a drive, take it for a virtual ride, if you will.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today, let's take a ride in a 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. A column shifted automatic, so it's easy to drive. Plenty of power. Beautiful paint with stripe on the hood. Bench seat. Inside with a added cup holder. Our turn signal indicators are working. I hear an electric fuel pump. That usually makes them even more easy to start, as it did with this one. Nice exhaust though. The wipers work in this car, the radio working.
16 years in hell.
Kenwood mounted in the dash. Fits very well there. We have speakers in the kick panels and in the back that sound very clear. The blower motor works on the HVAC unit, and down below the dash we have gauges from Auto Gauge. The oil pressure reading a little over 60, the battery charging a little over 14, and the temperature a little over 50. I'm sorry, 150 to 160 degrees right now. It's still warming up. Horn working. One thing I noticed, because it is roll-up windows, it is easy to roll up. It's just a simple thing sometimes. Somebody maybe lubricated those tracks, they're in good condition, it's easy for the window to function. Solid closing doors, very good power steering, making it easy to steer. Those little details are important when you're driving. And this car doesn't lean much in the corners. It is a great corner, which means we've got good sway bars underneath. Smooth shifts from the automatic transmission, not hardly any wind noise. It's a very well-maintained 1971 Chevelle. Find all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.